Okay, so this is going to be a quick recap of August 27th. It's 10:52 a.m. and I am done trading because I am pretty aggravated. I didn't record a pre-market video plan this morning, but I did do my pre-market plan just off video. So this is what I have. We're looking at a 30-minute chart. And let me zoom out just a little bit here. So I set some previous lines. 6473.75 came from just a few days ago. Actually, I'm sorry, last week. And this tapped 2 times and as you can see was a pretty significant level. And so I figured this was worth noting. And that was swept, and we'll get into that in just a second. So that level was respected. We have some previous POC lines based off previous day volume profiles, and then this is the composite volume profile off on the right-hand side here. And then I have a level up top here, which we haven't reached yet. So, but you can see that comes from over here. That's that wick right there, right? And so that's our previous high from last week, and that's what it looks like we're gunning for right now. So I marked these out, and then we also have the volume profile with a dynamic POC line. We had VWAP as well here throughout the pre-market session. We did have the PM pre-market session low at 6478, so I was looking initially for this to get swept before going long. Let's switch over to a 5-minute time frame now, and we're going to see the again, pre-market session low is over here. We didn't even open up, and this was already starting to get swept. Completely disrespect. Came down, and actually, once we opened here, we continued to push down and swept this previous level. Hilarious, right? I should have longed here. I didn't. I wasn't sure. This was a slow move up. There wasn't a lot of volume. We came up to VWAP. We kind of paused under VWAP. Once we kind of started closing above VWAP, I entered right at the VWAP here to give it a shot. Initially, as you can see, it was working before getting a sharp rejection down. And that's displayed over, let me zoom out here. So this was at 940, I believe. So that's somewhere back here. Yeah, okay, let me come down. So that was right here. And let me actually switch over to the book so you can see what I'm talking about. So that was right here. I got in somewhere around here. We pushed up a little, came down. That's fine. Pushed up, and then again we had a sharp rejection. It did get absorbed, funny enough, before rallying back up. This shook me out. I got stopped out here. This shook me out, and as we can see on Volsys here, this is that exact representation. Right here. Same thing on the book. Right there. So, needless to say, I got stopped out there, but then we continued to push up as seen here. And we continued to push up from there. And needless to say, that really pissed me off. Really, really pissed me off. I mean, we pushed all the way up, and my initial target was 6487. We came to 6487, and we kind of hung out there before continuing to push up, as we could see there, which is just insane. But nonetheless, we worked up, and now we're kind of holding at this POC line, this new point of control line that's actually near the value area high. So we did reach the value area high, and yeah. So needless to say, this level here, I'm wondering if this might actually be I got that off the 30-minute. Let me look at like 2 hours real quick and just see if that level is still there. Yeah, so you see this is on a 2-hour chart here, presumably. Yeah, so this was a significant level. We swept it today, and then we pushed higher. I'm pretty frustrated. So that's the end of that, basically. So now, moving forward, we can just continue to set those levels and potentially look to continue doing this every single day. Look for the levels to get swept. Pre-market session low technically got swept before market open, and then we dipped down further. So this was kind of manipulation, consolidation in pre-market, manipulation down, and then manipulation back up. We reversed. So manipulation and then reversal. That's exactly what happened. And we just happened to use a previous level here as the manipulation and reversal to sweep. And then it came up and then sweep the pre-market. So this could have been an entry. This could have been an entry. Instead, this is where I got stopped out. Very frustrating.